Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Angular video tutorial we will see that how we can make a form pre-filled. Alright, pre-filled means when you just open the form, some values are just filled inside the form. Alright, so the benefit of it, let's say you just want to edit your some data and just click on the edit button, then you just want that your form will be pre-filled so that you just know that what is the value before the change. Alright, so now let's see that how we can make it. So first of all, let's see the points of the video. So first of all, we will register the form module inside the app.module.js file. Then we have to make a HTML form. Then we will bind the form with the ngModel. Then we will define the data which should be the pre-filled, and we will set the form values. Alright, so first of all, let's go inside the app.module.ts and just import here form module. Just write here import something from, and let's use Angular, and then you can just make forms, and let's find out the form module, and let's register this form inside the imports array like this. Now the work of this file has been finished, so we can just close it directly, and let's open the app.component.html file. First of all, let's make a simple form here. So when we just make the form, we don't need any you can say that action. So let's just define here form id. So with the name, with the hash key hash, you can just put here user form, and let's assign it the ng form model. So just write here form like this. Alright, after that let's define some fields inside. We can just hide it for a moment so that you can just watch the complete screen. Just put it some fields like name can be email like this. Alright, and then we can just add here ngModel, and as you know, ngModel is used to bind this field with this form. Alright, so we can just simply use this ngModel, and let's use some br tag so that we can just maintain some spaces between the field 2 3. Alright, so here I'm just going to add the address, and let's put here like mobile and something. Alright, and at the last we can just also define a button. Just write here submit or something else that you just want, and just the form type should be submit. So now let's check the output what we actually got here. Okay, so this is defining some style here, so I just removing the style because this still style is using in the previous videos. So just clean up. Now you can see that this is working fine. Alright, so yeah, so after that let's define the data inside the app.component.ts which should be pre-filled. So just define here user data like this, and let's make some key like email, and email can be test@test.com or something, whatever you want. Then let's put the address can be Noida, and then mobile, and mobile can be some values like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Alright, so after this putting here data like this, we can just go inside the app.component.html file, and let's assign the value to the ngModel, and this will be assigning, we will assign here user data dot email. Right, and this ngModel should be a like of property binding. Now let's see what we are getting inside it. You can see that we got the email. Alright, so with the same way we can also define the other field also, like we can just use the this one and this one. Let's put here address, and we can put here mobile like this. Alright, and here you can see that we got the all values. For submit the forms, now we want to submit the form, then just define the ng submit event, and in this submit event let's define a function like on submit, and here we can just send the value of user form dot value like this, and let's define the on submit form, on submit function here inside the TS file, and just console.warn here with some parameter like data. Here you can just write your form data comma data. Now let's check. I think everything should be work fine. Now whenever I'm just going to try to submit it, now you can see that we got the data here, which is the pre-filled data, and if I'm just going to change here like daily, then I'm just going to submit. Now you can see that we got the updated data here. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.